Hello there, boys and girls. Today we are going to be starting a new portion of our day. It will be our Math Star Prep question of the day. Each day we will go over a question that kind of follows and mimics the same types of things that we're doing in class. And then we are going to show you how we would want to see the work on your problem so that we can kind of see your thinking. Now, we did do a problem like this the other day. It had to do with beads and bracelets. If you were on our math Zoom, it does say for number 15, that's the one we're going to work on, it says a carpenter had 320 nails. She used 105 nails in a project. Then she bought 250 more nails. Which equation shows how to find the number of nails the carpenter has now? So we really aren't trying to solve. We are trying to find which equation shows the number of nails she has now. So something had to happen. So first of all, it says she started or had 320 nails. So that's what she started with. Notice that I'm kind of coding my problem as I go along. Now it says she used 105 nails in a project. So we talked about this, but for those of you that were not on the Zoom call, there's a word here that kind of tells us whether the number is going to be getting smaller or bigger. And so this word used means that it was taken away. She used 105 nails in a project. So she had 320 and then she used 105. Okay? So now thinking about STAR and thinking about a strategy that we use, we try to take away unreasonable answers whenever we can. And so when I look, all of my problems start with 320, so I can't eliminate anything yet. Then I look at my symbol here and I have a minus, a plus, and a minus. And from what we've already figured out, we said it was minus 105. So I know that I can take away B and C because of this part right here. It makes it false, makes the answer wrong. So notice how I even proved that that was the reason I crossed those off. Second of all, let's look and see. So now it says then she bought 250 more nails. So I guess she could do more projects. So if I'm looking at this now, there is another clue word. It's not 250, and it's really not even more, because sometimes if it says how many more of something are there, then you might be subtracting. So don't let that fool you. But it did say that she bought them, and she bought 250 more. So that together shows you that she got more nails after she used some. She went back to the store and she added 250 to her collection. Okay? So now let's look at A and D, because those are the only answer choices we have left. We had 320 minus 105, then plus 250. So if I look here, my equation, does it match up? Okay, all of these match up. All the numbers match up, the symbols match up. I'm going to think that's my answer. Here, this part matches up, but look what happens here. It is not a minus, it is a plus. So I cross this part out saying, nope, that makes it wrong. And then I am able to answer A. And that is how you would code a question like that. And that is also how you would show your work. For those of you that were like maybe having a little bit of a question of how you would show if you're not actually working out the problem. So hopefully that helps you. This is our STAR problem for today, which would be 921. Okay? All right. See you tomorrow.